Hey friends, this is Quincy at See My Cape Productions. Today I wanted to do a quick overview of what comes in the box of this graphics tablet that I purchased, made by a company called UGEE. It's the M708 Graphics Tablet for drawing. So let's see what this is all about, what comes in the box. This is not going to be a full review, just an overview of what's coming in the box, and I'll do a full review later. So here we go. I've already opened all of this. That's why it's all disarray, because I wanted to get it all out of the cumbersome packages that it was in, which was protected nicely. So you get a quick guide, and there's 2 pages of information that are in English, and then it's a repeat over and over in all the other languages that's included, which is helpful for all those folks that need it in other languages. But my advice would be to go to this website, www.ugee.net, and look it up there for some expanded information. Also on YouTube, you're going to find all kinds of reviews on this tablet. I found that this guide so far is pretty much useless to me. I'm just going to the website. All right, so you get all this stuff that comes in it. You get a cleaning cloth. You get this Michael Jackson glove for when you're at karaoke. Actually, what it's for, I believe, is just to expose these 3 fingers so that you can hold your stylus and still touch the actual surface area and not cause any smudging or marks on your actual design. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. It also comes with full gloves, left and a right glove. They've got a rubber coating on them so that you can grasp your stylus without any kind of issues, any problems. And then same reasoning, no way you're gonna cause any smudging or such on the surface. So that was nice that they included all of that. Necessary, I suppose. I've owned graphic tablet in the past by Wacom. This one, it was a great alternative price-wise. I felt like it had a bigger surface area for the price I wanted to spend. This was $57-ish and some text and stuff delivered. That's a good price for a 10 by 6 drawing surface. I think that's pretty good with all the features that it has. So let me go over what's here. We'll more on the tablet in a second. So set this aside for a minute. You get a cable because this is not Bluetooth wireless as far as the tablet is concerned. You do have to plug it in and then into a USB port on your computer for powering it up. It seems long enough. I don't think there's going to be an issue with that at all. I can't see being an issue. You also get the actual pen stylus, and with a couple of buttons on the side, action buttons on the side for doing whatever you need to do with that. This is, they say, because it is version 2, that you don't need any sort of batteries or charging for this pen. We will go see how that works. When I do a full review, we'll talk about that. But we'll see. It's kind of weighty, feels good. You also get a holder for your pen. I kind of wish this had some sort of surface on it that was a little less slippery. But the pen actually has a couple of buttons on the side, action buttons as well, that you can program for undos and what have you, that sort of thing, I guess. And that's helpful. In here, you can unscrew that. These, the nibs, the tips, see those in there? There's a ring also in there with a slit in it, basically just to use as a tool to pull those out and to install into your pen. Okay? They're stored right in there on the bottom. Very nice. And then you can set this on your desk wherever for putting that there like that. Or I suppose like that. Okay, that didn't work very well. Okay, It also comes with I thought was very thoughtful of them, being concerned as they are, that they gave me a makeup brush for when I want to be extra special. I can put on my makeup. Actually, that's a brush to clean out the dust and stuff off of your tablet. That's what that's for. Now the tablet. The tablet itself feels nicely made. The construction is really well. Feels good. Bottom looks like it's metal, and the top covering actually is more plastic actually. And you have these action buttons on the side, 8 of them, so you can program those to be whatever you need those to be. This is also, I thought, was a neat feature that you can make it right-handed or left-handed. So, and to do that, you just set it up in the software that you download along with the driver for your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac. It works with both. But drawing with this hand, free hand over here for getting these buttons. This way you can use it with your left hand, free hand over here for getting those buttons. That's great. And there's a slant and a slope over here to keep it kind of comfortable, I guess. But yeah, it's hefty, good surface area for drawing and doing what you have to do. Now, I did see one other review that said you may want to make sure that you have a cover for this, a clear cover of some sort, because it can leave marks on the tablet if you pushing too hard. But I have not tried that yet, so I don't know. You'll have to see if that's a big deal or not. So anyways, tablet looks nice. I think it's going to be just fine. So that's what comes in the box. Pretty cool. I'm looking forward to seeing how it all works for me. I'm a graphic designer, so on some of my designs, I would like to see how this works for doing a little finer detail and adjustments to my design. That's why I got it. And I did not get it for free. I paid for it myself. So this is totally unbiased. And when I do my review, I will be as honest as I possibly can, because I don't want anybody else having to pay for something or getting something that they would not be happy with. If I'm not happy with it, I'll tell you what's good, what's not good about it. All right? So that's it, kids. I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.